Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we have Sansevieria succulent or the dwarf Sansevieria plant. This plant came with few instructions. It tells that this plant is okay with the low light. It is okay if you even water once in a week, and it is okay to be placed in the normal room temperature. And it came in this small ceramic pot like that, and the plant is literally in very tiny cup, but the plant is in really good shape. This plant you can keep at your home or the office or wherever you want. It really helps in purifying the air. It helps to absorb the carbon monoxide and gives the fresh oxygen to the room. So basically it's really a good plant. There are more than 700 species of this plant. Today we'll be dealing with this Sansevieria. It is pretty much same for all the plants. So today I'm going to show you how you can multiply this plant. This plant grows the rhizome or the baby plant at its base, which we can divide and get the new plant, or you can get the leaf cuttings and put that into the water or soil and they will grow the roots, and that's how you can get the new plant. So today we're going to use the rhizome or the baby plant method to get the new plants out of it. So take a 6-inch pot filled with some stones, and I'm using peat moss and perlite for growing medium so that I can repot this plant into this bigger pot. Since it is very compact in this small pot, I'm just squeezing it and trying to take it out, and you can see huge number of roots are packed inside that small plastic cup. So that was not doing any good, but the plant was pretty good because it is very hardy. It can survive many extreme conditions. So I'm placing this plant into the bigger pot so that its root can grow wider and the plant can grow new rhizomes out of it or the new baby plants from this base. Just watering it, and I will place this pot at the sunny side of the window where it will get good sunlight. I will water it frequently so that it will reproduce faster. Now the winter has started and it has snowed outside. The temperature is really down outside, but inside it is at the window where it gets plenty of sunlight. So after 1.5 months it has reproduced itself, and you can see the new baby plants at its base. The more space you give it to this plant, it reproduces faster. And I used to water this once the top layer soil of this pot seems a little bit dry. Otherwise you don't have to water it frequently. So just leave it at the window. It is perfectly fine. And checking after 3 months, now the temperature has started rising up and the plant is really doing good. The new rhizome has grown very well, and you can see the very healthy leaves, and these young plants are now getting affected by the mother plant. So if you try to take them out and repot it at another pot, they can grow pretty much faster and well as well, but still it is fine. So I'm gonna leave it for some time and repot it later on. So after 3.5 months, now I have planned to divide this plant. The watering was normal once in a week like that when it seems a little bit dry in the pot, and you can still see there is moisture at the base of the pot, and the roots doesn't go very far. They haven't come out, so the pot is still good. I'm gonna divide it today and show you how you can get new plants out of this mother plant. So just tapping it out and trying to take the plant out. You can see because of a lot of stone it is a little bit dry at the base. So next time I'm gonna put very few stones so that it will not be dry like this at the base. Now I'm going to take all the peat moss perlite so that I can show you how exactly the new rhizome appears here. You can see from the mother plant it appears from its side, and number of roots are there. I tried to break it with my hands, but it was a little bit hardy, so I'm using my knife so that I can easily cut it out. And you should always be sure that there is new set of roots with the young plant so that they can grow fine with the new plant. So you can check the roots are a little bit entangled, so you should be careful while taking out, but you can see new set of roots are with the new plant, so that will be perfectly fine. Similarly, taking all the plants out of them. One thing about this plant is that this plant is very easy to grow. You don't have to do a lot of maintenance. Everybody can have at their home with very less of maintenance, low light, low water. It can perfectly fit at your home, at your office, and even you can distribute once it grows a lot of tubers. So you can see the mother plant it is pretty fine. You can still repot it and get more numbers of plants in future. And you can check the baby plants, they have new sets of root, and you can see the baby plants are really healthy. So I'm going to take some few cups and putting some stones and using the same growing medium, peat moss perlite. That works best for it because it holds water and you don't have to take care all the time regarding the nutrition, fertilizer and everything. This peat moss perlite is perfect composition for growing most of the plants. So here the new 3 baby plants are ready. So water them up, and here I get 3 new plants from the single mother plant. It's awesome. So that's how you can reproduce Sansevieria succulent, dwarf Sansevieria plant, and get the new plants. So just give it a more space, plenty of sunlight and good amount of water, the plant will do the best. So in this way I have multiplied my Sansevieria plant. So if you have any queries, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. And if you like my video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay safe. I'll see you next time.